Order filled.
I'm in. Set your stops.
Order working.
Ah, fucking shit. They fucking whipped us. We're down, but not out. Don't let one loss break you. Round 2 here.
Order filled.
I'm adding.
Double down, never down.
That's the GP, baby.
I fucking called it.
That's profit.
Golden fucking pocket.
Locked in profit. No risk, no Rari. Yo. What's going on, guys? I hope you guys had a good weekend so far.
What's going on?
Hope you guys are having a great night to wrap up weekend so far. Your Sundays.
What's going on?
Hope you guys are gonna be just going over a quick game plan for the week so far. Gonna be just going over a quick. So this week we mostly will be looking for similar scenario to what we had a bit last week, right? So let's zoom in here first on the weekly chart just to show you guys real quick. We put in a nice reversal, right? Put in a nice reversal after those initial bad earnings. And then we had a bad Powell, Fed talk. And then obviously the earnings afterwards from Meta, Amazon, etc. all fucking crushed it. So big rip up, which you can see here, 2 days down, right? We had the Monday pretty much flat, a little bit of a pump rather. Then a dump down the next 2 days, pump right back up. So essentially we have a consolidation pretty much within this range, right? The 17.4 to 17.7. So it's pretty simple for the week, to be honest. Just looking at the daily, we have our zones here, right? We have a zone here. We have a zone here, right? So we have these zones here. And, just looking at this from purely the daily, right? Just from this low to this high, that golden pocket would line up right with this retest here. So if they want to consolidate it in this range a little bit, do something like this, right, on the daily, wouldn't be opposed to having some type of move down into here to explode back up. Otherwise, meltdown, we're always ready for a meltdown, right? I'd love to have that. But, yeah, not going to marry anything too much, right? We're not going to have anything more than a day trade as usual for the most part. And we're going to just take it easy from there. So we're going to run up a bunch of accounts. I know you guys are new. Some of you guys in here. We do this live stream every morning at 9:15. We take all the trades live too. You'll see all of my executions and everything that I do. Entries, exits, how many contracts, etc. All live. But yeah, not really looking for much. Again, these are the daily levels that we have, right? I'm going to get rid of this here, right? These are the daily levels that we have. Now we're on the 4 hour. We can see a couple more things, right? We could see this level come into play. Possibly this previous resistance came up, support came up. A lot of action and wicks around here, broke up again, smash down, smash up, right? So support again. So this is a key area here, 17.55 or so. So these are the levels we'll be watching pretty much going into tomorrow. But I'd love to take shorts as long as we stay below 17.7. And look for a move back down into the 17.4. Otherwise, we'll play this breakout. No problem doing that. Probably up to about 18K or so on NQ. I want to see $100 challenge to $1,000 challenge. Easy. That's so easy, bro. All you do is you buy an Apex account for fucking $37. And guess what? You can make $3 grand. There you go. Loaded up 6 more accounts, hoping to get them all with you. Bold money. Let's get it, man. We crushed it last week, my boy. I know you were there most of the days. Echo's going crazy. Is the Echo going crazy? Is that bad? Joe, I got you. Getting it this week. So that's going to be the review on NQ and QQQ. Same thing. different toilet, right? Same shit, different toilet. Let's go to ES real quick. ES, daily a little bit more bullish. You know, obviously, break of the highs, holding above that. Pretty much, you know, room up to that, you know, 5K or so level. I don't know if I have this adjusted or not. I'm going to use SPY. What did we hit? 496. Yeah, so we're like 1% or so off of 500 here, right? 5K for SPX. But yeah, I mean, SPY looks really good, right? SPY had a really good week, way above that high here, right? So SPY looks very much like we will continue up, but again, would need some type of reversal here. ES right now, if it can get back below that 49.50 or so level, you know, can retest back down towards that 48.50 or so, right? We have liquidity here, and then nothing really until 48.33. So we'll really just have to see what happens this week to start the week. Looking at earnings real quick, let me pull it up. I think we have like McDonald's. We have a couple names that are more so S&P weighted and Dow weighted. Yeah, here we go. So here's what we got for the week. We got McDonald's and Caterpillar. So that the Dow will move pretty big tomorrow. SPY and Dow, and Palantir as well. After hours for those of you guys playing that. Enphase, Snap, Spotify, BP, Hertz, LOI, Baba for the Chinese boys, Disney, PayPal, Uber, Roblox, Affirm, Pinterest, Cloudflare. So you guys can see a lot of the Russell stocks, a lot of the Dow stocks are going to be moving this week. It's not very weighted towards NQ as much this week. So more like SPY, RTY. Speaking of RTY right now has not had that explosion yet. These are the past couple weeks of the Russell. Still in this consolidation here. If we get a weekly close above this level here, right? Easy move above 2K. Would be interested in longs on the Russell. Inversely, if earnings are bad, any move below here is a short again, back down to this 200 MA on the weekly into that 1900 level. So might be trading RTY a little bit more than we usually do typically. What time zone for the live trades? Time zone is 9:15 a.m. Eastern time zone, okay? Open Discord. You want me to open it right now? I'll open it real quick. Don't tell anybody. Ready? Go. It's open. Boom. I opened it up right there. Anyway, so that's what that's looking like for the week. That's what I'm looking for to basically watch. We'll have to see overnight if we get any moves. Right now, if you guys are playing futures, I'd like this for a hold, this 15-minute right here, right off that 1245 candle, this support that we had, possibly a move back up into 690s or so. So if you're scalping right now, feel free to do that. But otherwise, wait till tomorrow, guys. We'll have much more action overnight. We'll get to see what we have on the London Open. Okay, we'll get to see the China Open. China Open's in about 30 minutes or an hour now. So we'll see where that takes us. This week is the Chinese New Year, so we might get a big move out of China. Maybe not. And we'll go from there. But yeah, overnight we got the London session at 3. But yeah, we'll have more data tomorrow, guys. Just wanted to do a quick weekly review for you guys, show you guys the plan for the week. When you're at all-time highs, guys, it's very hard to draw out many levels. Only thing you can do is wait for smaller price action on the lower time frames, right? The 15-minute, hourly, etc. So we'll see what we can get this week. We'll be live every morning, as always, 9:15 a.m. and go from there. Will you please do a 150K challenge? You can just take 2x what I'm doing pretty much, man, every day. Every day I'm only trading 2 to 4 contracts, nothing crazy. So you can do it on pretty much anything. I get hella money for Chinese New Year. Hell yeah, CY. Congrats, man. Spend it wisely. Don't go all in on 0 dates. But all right, guys, I hope you guys had a great weekend. That is going to be it for me. I'll post this link here real quick for you guys to get in. Any questions real quick? I'll answer 2-3 questions you guys got. How many accounts you trading? 20 accounts. 20. All right. If you guys aren't ready for this week, we got the green dildos, red dildos ready to go. We're going to long them all, short them all. And that's just how it works here. What time zone for live streams? Doesn't it say 9:15 a.m. Eastern? Say it all the time. Eastern. Tips for first timers on futures. Watch all the videos I have for futures. What do you have your eye on this week? Rewind this video. What size accounts do you trade? Mine are random between 50 to 300K. I have a bunch of different ones. What's an ideal amount for a live account? Whatever you're comfortable with. $1,000. Past 4 Apex accounts Friday, and they have disappeared, and I can't contact or get a hold of anyone. Any suggestions? You failed, my friend. That's the only reason. You can also just email Apex. Use the brackets for stop loss. Yep, we could do that. What do you look for to set your stop losses on scalps? Brackets can't work with group trades. Every trade is different, right? If you're taking this trade right now, you know, I would have longed here, right? Your stop loss is here. Your target is up here. Oops. Stop loss is here. Your target's up here, right? This trade only has a 78, 62. This trade has a 16-point stop. You know, maybe if I took a trade here, all right, let's just say I longed here for some reason, I might have a stop all the way down here and my TP's up here. Every trade is different. There's not one specific answer for every trade. You mentioned you have lost in one day. What is the biggest loss you have? You can go ahead on Twitter and type in shop loss Simba. Let's just say it was more than a couple doctors' salary. But we don't want to talk about that anymore. All right, any one-day pass promotions coming up for Apex? I'm pretty sure that they will do it on the 7th or the 8th. Something like that, I think they would. Makes the most sense. All right, guys, we will do a giveaway real quick before we go. As always, you guys know what to do. W's in the chat real quick. W's in the chat. We will pick a giveaway for 100K winner real quick. And I promise you guys, streams are always more lit. But we're just being quiet because it's nighttime. Baby's sleeping, you know. Let's get a nice red week this week, guys. I would love some blood. I like holding shorts. I like holding future shorts. They're much easier to hold. All right, guys, so I'm going to close my eyes. As always, going to pin the comment here in 3, 2, 1. Clicking and pinning. Congrats to Anya Elise. Anya, congrats. Anya, do me a favor. And are you in the Discord? Are you? Yes? No? Great. Just type your name in the just say, you know, hey, it's Anya or whatever in the Discord. Hopefully it's you. Nobody be an asshole. Usually I do it on Instagram or whatever. Anya's Jose's burner account. Shit, it could be. You never really know. Hey, it's Anya. There you go. All right. Was that you? Anna? Is your real name Anna? All right, guys. That is it for me. How was account giveaway done? Genuinely curious. I just put my mouse on the screen and I click on a random chat when I close my eyes and I pin it. And that's who wins. And then I send them the money. So I'll have to DM you. Congrats. We'll get this set up tomorrow. Cool. Now, I mean, you pay for the account or give the past account. I pay for the account. I do not do a past account. That's not allowed. All right, guys. That is it for me. Hope you guys had a good one. Good weekend. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9:15 a.m. Be there. Let's print. Love you guys. Deuce.